In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. This one. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu and edit your shortcuts thanks to this icon of a pen at the top right corner. Then look for a Caffeine shortcut at the bottom, hold it, drag it to your current ones, place it wherever you want to, and let go. Then go back and tap on your new shortcut to activate it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's white. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!